Hello everyone, today in this video we will discuss how to fix inDrive app not working on Realme Mobile. Let's start the video if you want to fix this problem. So first of all go to app library. Here click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on apps. After click on apps, click on app management. After click on app management, scroll down and search inDrive app from here. You will see inDrive app is here. Click on inDrive app. Click on storage usage. If you want to fix inDrive app problem, click on clear cache. After click on clear cache, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. But if it doesn't fix this problem, so restart phone. Just click and hold side power button and swipe up. After swipe up, you will see your phone is restart. After restarting, enter your phone pin and you will check your problem is solved. But so that's how you can fix inDrive app not working on Realme Mobile. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.